What's up, everybody? RC Explosion box volume 51 this month. Here's the pack lineup. I think there's a differentiation, some with the 2022 Heritage or what you're going to get for that pack. Not a lot of packs this month. Sorry if I'm coughing through this. A lot of the values going into this one, the 2022 Bowman draft. So yeah, five packs this month. So we'll start off. Gonna do the 2022 Heritage. That's the one I got here. Looking for Franco, Cruz, and Newtbar. Kyle Seager, Whit Merrifield, Stanton, Miguel Rodriguez, Kevin Pillar, Gavin Lux, Mike Minor, Romy Gonzalez, and rookie pitchers. Alrighty, next 19. Sorry, Topps Update. Got Riley Guerrero, Tatis, it's his debut. Ryan Reynolds, and a couple others. I think I had one pack of this once where I got pretty much every rookie in it. Dallas Keuchel, Duplantier, Familia, Scott, Carlos Santana, Paul Molitor, Kevin Gutierrez, AJ Pollock, Melky Cabrera, Curtis Granderson, Carter Keyboom, and Puig. Alrighty. Let's do the Sonic. Not sure how I feel about this product. Seems kind of gimmicky. Not the same as Topps Chrome, I'm assuming, with the sorry, my brain stopped working for a second. I'm assuming it's the same as Topps Chrome with the Sonic inserts you can get for this. Looking at some of the people on this. Riley Adams, Anthony Rendon, Walker Buehler, and Carson Kelly. Alright, that's a big swing and a miss. 2 packs left. I'm gonna go with the jumbo here. Got Rushman, Harris, Henderson, Green, Vargas. I haven't opened any jumbo. Be cool if we get the auto on this. Although I'd probably rather get an auto on Bowman. Alright, Tommy Edman. Try to go through this quick. Brett Beatty, rookie. Not terrible. Giolito, Lau, Brendan Rodgers, Hernandez, McCormick, Marte, Brian Hayes, Davis Martin, Yelich. I don't even bother reading these off anymore. Jeter Downs. Flip. Stroman. I think he's pitching tonight in the World Baseball Classic. Pujols. We got here a gold foil Matt Chapman. Alright, it's the center of the pack here. 1-2 punch, Greinke, Kershaw. Max Scherzer insert. Adley Rutschman, that's cool. Take that. I do really like the design this year. Aaron Judge. Von Herrera, Seth Brown. Alrighty. CJ Abrams. Ryan McMahon. Marcus Wilson. The Red Sox. Bunch of landscape there. Alrighty. Last pack. Come on. 2022 Bowman draft. Looking for Jackson, Holiday, Johnson, Green, Coleman, Jung, Lee, Romero. Come on. Yeah. I don't think there's anything thick in there. See, Chase Young. How does this work with all these? Put these in the front. Polanco, Pallet, Thorpe, Fernandez, Confidant, Stewart, Verdugo, York, Jackson Holiday paper. I'll have to go back through and look at all these guys, see if they're even on the list. All right, let's hope for something decent in chrome here. Christian Hernandez. Is that an orange back there? Chase Young. Drew Gilbert. Wilman Diaz. Edison Paulino. Got a first of Hunter Barco. Let's go to the refractors. Jonathan Case. Zanante Rafael, or however you pronounce that. Well, let's hope this is a auto. No. Cesar Prado. Still cool though in orange. I don't think these are numbered, are they? These sky blues? No. Hunter Barco. Yeah, to 25. See, 2022 is a free agent, born in 99. It's not the youngest guy. No stats. It's pretty cool though. All right, I'll have to go back through that Bowman pack. I know I said that a million times. Then what else we got here? The Jackson Holiday first. Adley Rushman, gold foil, Brett Beatty. All right, hopefully some people can pull some pretty sick cards this month. And take care, everyone. See you next month. I just started going through all my cards, realizing Jace Jung was a pretty good card to get. And then I looked at that card. This card is absolutely destroyed. You got that whole line. If that indent looks deep, it's because it is extremely deep. All right, just thought I'd share that. Take care.